In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Asana account. Before we get started, keep in mind that deleting your Asana account is a serious and permanent action. Once your account is deleted, you'll immediately lose access to Asana, and your account data will be permanently removed from all workspaces and organizations you're part of. There is no way to recover it later, so only continue if you're absolutely sure. First, open your web browser and go to the Asana website. Log in using your usual login details. Give it a moment to load your home screen or any project page you land on. All of the options you need will be available from any main page in Asana, so you don't have to navigate to a specific project or task. Once you're logged in, look towards the bottom left corner of the screen. Here you'll see your profile icon. It might display your initials or a small profile picture, depending on how your account is set up. Click on that profile icon to open a small menu. In that menu, find and click on the option labeled Settings. When you click it, a settings pop-up window will appear in the center of your screen. This window has several tabs along the top. At the top of this pop-up, select the tab labeled Account. This is where Asana keeps all the options related to your account preferences and status. Once you're on the Account tab, scroll down through the options until you reach a section called Deletion. Take your time and scroll slowly so you don't miss it. On the right-hand side of the deletion section, you'll see a button that says Delete My Account. Click this button. As soon as you do, another pop-up will appear with a clear warning. It will explain that this action will result in the immediate loss of access to Asana and the permanent removal of your account data across all workspaces or organizations associated with your account. It also emphasizes that there will be no option for recovery. Pause here and make sure you're comfortable with that. If there's anything you might need later, such as important tasks, project details, or shared information, this is your last chance to go back, cancel, and download or copy anything you want to keep. If you're sure you want to proceed, click the button that says Continue with Deletion. After you confirm, Asana will process the request and your account will be deleted. And that's it. Your Asana account is now removed.